Crypto doesn't need an explanation these days. Crypto has grown very quickly in the last few years. Because Rndr is so powerful and has so much promise, its value and growth are expected to be through the roof. Rndr price is harder to predict and more affected by market factors than other asset classes. However, we chose to make the best guess about Rndr's future value and growth. We thought that the price of Rndr, would go up and down, and it did. The average price last month was. In terms of progress as a whole, Rndr did not grow at all last month. Based on our Rndr price prediction from last month, we thought that Rndr, would continue to move up in the coming months. Rndr is worth $4.32 right now, but it could soon reach a high point of $9.30. We thought that the price of Rndr would drop by 14.13% at the start of February 2024, based on how the price of Rndr has changed over time. The price is likely to go up by as much as 115.29% by the middle of February. It's possible that Rndr will grow by 82.11% by the end of the month. Based on the way the market is right now, the price could go as high as $13.76 or as low as $12.60 by 2026. Having said that, $13.23 could be the average price of Rndr. Rndr is now worth $4.47, which is $2.13 more than it was 3 months ago, a 90.71% increase. As the market improves over the next 12 months, Rndr is expected to grow by a large amount. Rndr has a score of 100 out of 100, which means it is currently showing signs of going up. $8.04 is the price that Rndr fans think it will reach by the end of 2023. In the last 24 hours, the price of Rndr has gone up by 7.99%. After going through a bear market, Rndr has seen a lot of growth over the past year. Rndr is likely to hit a high point of $16.98 in the next few years, thanks to its recent growth. Due to the bullish time Rndr has been going through, investors in Rndr have seen returns of over 21.07% on their money this past week. Our study of Rndr's basic indicators led us to believe that a small correction might happen in the next few days. The price of Rndr has gone up by 7.99% in the last 24 hours. It has grown steadily over the last week, adding 21.07% to its value. Investors in Rndr are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. In the past 30 days, the price of Rndr has gone down by 3.73%, or $0.173156. It used to be worth $4.64. Rndr is in a dip right now, because of this downturn. The price of Rndr has gone up by 90.71% in the last 90 days, going from $2.34 to $2.13.